Tower County 615, heavy ILS 7 right.
County 615 heavy, Anchorage Tower, runway 7 right, clear to land.
7 right, clear to land, County 615 heavy. And Tower County 615, we're going to need delay vectors here. We got a gear problem.
County 615 heavy, remain this frequency and approach clearance canceled, maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, approach clearance canceled, County 615 heavy.
County 615 heavy, turn right heading 180.
Turn heading 180, County 615 heavy.
County 615 heavy, contact Anchorage approach 126.4.
126.4, County 615 heavy.
Ryanair 906, Anchorage Tower, runway 7 left at disregard. Traffic's about 3 miles off to the left. We'll get you moving here in a short.
Center County 615, approach County 615 back with you. All right, turn to 180, 3000.
County 615 heavy, Anchorage approach below. Just let me know if you need any assistance.
Yeah, we're going to need assistance. Just stand by, County 615.
Will do. County 615 heavy, and just need souls on board will remain.
6 souls on board, 35,000 pounds still remain. County 615.
County 615 heavy, roger. And did you want to try and hold for a little bit, or just coming down?
7 right, what we're going to go after, County 615.
County 615 heavy, roger. You can find runway 7 right. And just verify which gear, what is it?
It'll be our right wing gear, County 615 heavy.
County 615 heavy, roger.
And ground ARC command, we can get wherever you need to go.
ARC command, I just have 2 aircraft taxiing out for 33. We're hoping to get out before the emergency inbound, if that's okay. It should be the Dynasty and the FedEx behind you.
Yeah, copy. We'll just loop around here, Gulf 1 back to Gulf.
Okay, thanks.
There's traffic, 12 o'clock, 900 miles northeast on the VFR Kinger. Restrict data about 3,500 for you. And how is it coming along? How much longer do you think they'll need? County 615, no problem. I just want to know if I should be able to bring this VFR aircraft in for you.
Yes,
Roger. County 615 heavy, and just for clarification, Anchorage information popular clearance. Anchorage is current altimeter 2960.
2960, we'll make sure we go proper, County 615 heavy.
Anchorage approach 135.15, 3515.
3515, County 615 heavy.
Out 3 emergency aircraft next to land, 10 miles out.
Out 3 copies, thanks.
Tower County 615 heavy, ILS 7 right.
County 615 heavy, Anchorage Tower, runway 7 right, clear to land, wind 030 at 3.
7 right, clear to land, County 615 heavy.
And Tower out 3, can you show 7 right and 7 left close, please?
Out 3, affirmative.
County 615 will be stopping on the runway.
Roger.
And Tower command just confirmed 7 left, 7 right, close. We're clear.
RF command affirmative, parallels are closed, proceed 7 left, 7 right.
Tower up 5 and company Kalitta maintenance for the east group.
Outside the company, proceed on the east group.
Tower County 615, just give us a few minutes to secure the airplane, please.
County 615, roger. Did you copy that for RF command? RF command, they still need a few minutes to secure the plane.
Does everything look good outside? Doesn't that wing gear is up still? On the right side of the aircraft?
Yeah, temperature-wise, everything's reading fine. That right wing, I think that's the way to go.
Yep, that's fine. Is the number 4 engine off the ground?
Yeah, the number 4 is about a foot off the ground.
Okay, very good, thank you. Okay, we're going to shut our engines down and go to aircraft power, EPU power.
No, copy.
Now we're just waiting for tow in. Our brakes on the right body gear are getting a little warm, so please stay away from them in case they thermal and the fuse plugs blow out. Thank you. The fuse plugs will blow sideways from the tire, left and right.
Oscar 3, just for our planning, how long before we can get 7 left back?
Let me go do a quick inspection, and I'll release it to you here in just a moment.
Oscar 3, copy, thank you.